Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing another 3D real-time strategy game engine devlog, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a few new techniques that I have implemented into the game. Um, so as you can see here, there are a few new things that I've added, like this mini map here, which kind of accurately, goes over the terrain, but whenever new things are added to the terrain, it kind of fails. As you can see here, I kind of had a failed attempt at doing multi-texturing, it's not really the multi-texturing that was the issue. It was more like creating paths and stuff. I'm gonna show that right here. So as you can see, that it moves over to the side, but I'm not exactly sure how to make it where it will leave a trail or make all those different pixels stay the same. I do have an idea of what I could do, but I still need to figure out all the functions that are required to do that. Also, I have created the ability to modify the brush sizes in the terrain editor. So if I increase this terrain here, see it increases a much larger chunk of the terrain than it used to increase. So that's very cool. And very handy as well, especially if people want to either increase a larger area or decrease, increase or decrease by a larger area, or like be very precise about things. I'm going to definitely add in an option so that one can choose while using the program what size brush they want to use. Another thing that I've added is, as you can see in the GUI here, I've started adding the numbers for all of the player values, such as, for example, gold. So like, this is how much gold the player has. It's not exactly collectible at the moment. Like, I can go into the code, of course, and just increase the number if I want to, but there's really no point in doing that at the moment, because it won't really have any significance and you can't really do anything. A third thing that I've been working on is kind of arranging the game map into like player zones. So for example, player 2 will start in this area while player 1 will start in this area, or vice versa. But these are going to be all these are the 4 player spots that are possible at the moment. So if you're player 1, you could be put in this area, or you could be put in this area, or this area, or this area. But if you're player 2, you cannot be put in the same area as player 1. And so let's say this is player 1. Player 2 will be put here, here, or here. Although that's not completely random yet. And it has to still be done by code. So, it's still being worked on. Another thing that I added into the game was the ability for the troops to go and attack other troops that are on different teams. So this knight here that's on team 1 will go and attack the knight here that's on team 3. And when it gets close to it, then this knight here will disappear because it just takes away 100 health instantly. So as you can see here, oops. I'm not exact. Oh wait, I accidentally turned off something on the in the code. I'll be right back and it'll work. Okay, so now this should work. So if I attack with the red troop and attack the kind of light blue troop, the light blue troop will die. Well, instantly. I mean, of course, this won't be, forever. It won't, the troops won't be able to just instantly, they won't die instantly. But this is basically just like a test thing. Oh, and also these swordsmen won't be able to attack from such a long range. Although the range that they're already attacking at it's sort of reasonable, I guess, but I guess it sometimes, depending on what angle. I think I probably typed that thing wrong. I probably typed one of the if statements wrong or something. I don't know. But I'll probably figure that out like the rest of the way throughout the week, and I'll have that ready by the next showcase video. So I will be right back to show all of the troops fighting each other. Right, so as you can see here, all the knights are fighting each other, regardless of the team number. So they're trying to, whenever one troop number 5 dies, they go and find the next troop that's number 5, because I delete it from the vector. And this is a very basic way of doing AI, but it kind of works for now, I guess. But this will definitely be coming out, or be taken out of the code soon, and it always for some reason crashes because as the troops get closer to each other, they start killing each other a whole lot quicker and it causes the game to crash pretty quickly. And yes, just like that. So basically I need to create a new way of not a way that the game can still play even after there are no troops left over. So I mean that's gonna be very easy anyways, but anyways, now on to the next thing. Okay, so here is my demonstration of multiplayer. So I have a client and a server, of course, as most multiplayer connections do. And so this is the client, or this is the server, and I have another thing open up in another window, which is the client. So let's say I want to move a troop on the client, I'm gonna make it this troop here, this bluish one here. So on the client, I can just go ahead and move that over here, and as you see, it'll move, where the client tells it to, like it's supposed to do. And I'll move this red troop too. See, it's moving. I'm gonna go and move